In today's lesson, toda kuita inverse variation. So what we have to appreciate firstly, a relationship is between inverse variation and inverse proportion. Looking into our course reader, we see from here inverse variation. Fig 9.11 shows a circle cut into A, 5 equal parts and B, 12 equal sectors. The greater the number of sectors, the smaller the angle of each sector. So it is making sense, but we can actually have this example in our own way. But let us say we have two circles. So this is circle A and this is circle B. Saka circle A toda kuikata into right angles. So ngakadai so 90 degrees, 90, 90 and 90. Saka it is made up of 4 sectors. Then circle B toda kuikata into each angles of what? 45 degrees. So ngakadai so like this. Saka each angle it's 45 degrees. It is made up of how many sectors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sectors. Saka mukatarisa relationship iri between the angle and the number of sectors. Munaona kuti the greater the number of sectors, the smaller the angle of each sector. Panapa we had the angle being 90 degrees, we only had 4 sectors. As Panapa we have an angle being 45 degrees, we have 8 sectors. Saka kuwedzera kunoita the number of sectors. Kuwedzera kunoita the number of sectors ndiko kurijusika kunoita the angle inside each sector. Mapaona. Saka there is an inverse relationship. Chimwe chichiwedzera, chimwe chichidzika. Chimwe chikadzika, chimwe chinowedzera. Going on with our course reader, if a pot of tea is shared between some people, the greater the number of people, the lesser tea each will receive. And toda kushare plate sadza. Tukudyira plate 1 zvatinoita kana tiri kumisha. Vanhu vakawanda vari kudyira plate 1 tisina kuchinja quantity yesadza. You can equally see kuti that means kuti umwe noumwe achadya sadza shoma nokuti vari kudya vacho vawanda. That is also inverse proportionality. These are examples of inverse proportion, which can also be called inverse variation. So in the first example, we are looking at the size of the angle, which varies inversely with the number of sectors n. Saka we have the size of an angle, theta, iri kuita vary inversely. Kuita vary inversely zvoreva kuti inge iri proportional to 1 over the number of sectors, which is n, like that. That is what varying inversely refers to. Kana takuda kuiconverta into an equation, we are going to follow basically the same steps. Theta, to replace this proportion sign with the equal sign, to introduce a constant k, which is going to be multiplying 1 over n. Kureva kuti at the end of the day, theta inge equal to k times 1, that is k over n. Ndozvinoreva inverse proportionality. If I am to draw your memory back. Patakaita direct variation, we said theta will be directly proportional to n. And tongopa an example. Saka theta inenge equal to k multiplying n. So if you look panapa, you see that we have this situation. K dividing n. As panapa, we have this situation. K multiplying n. It is nongotiudza kuti direct variation opposite inverse variation. So the opposite of direct variation is inverse variation. Then when we look at the second example, we see that the volume of the T received, which is V, is inversely proportional to the number of people, which is also N. Those statements are written like that. Saka panapa we have to go to our first example, which in our case is example number 5. If V varies inversely with N and V is equal to 220 when N is equal to 6, find V when N is equal to 8. So we have been told here that V varies inversely with N. So that V is proportional to 1 over N. That is what it means. So vatapiwa ma-values of V na N, kasonzi titsvage V when N is equal to 8. Saka chatinofanira kutanga kuita, we must find the constant. Saka we are going to convert from this proportion sign to an equal sign. Kureva kuti V inge equal to K multiplying 1 over N. Kureva kuti V iri equal to K times 1, that is K over N. Like that. But chatiri kutsvaga isusu ndeyani? Tikutsvaga K, the constant. Kureva kuti tikamultiply kuside kunoku na N anochekana. Then we do the same side kunoku na N. What it means is K inge equal to NV, like that. So K is equal to, what is the value of N in the 6, and what is the value of V? 220. Saka K is equal to Chi. We have to multiply 220 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 20 12 to get 1. 6 times 20 12 plus 1 is 18. Go up to 1320. That is the value of K. After finding out the value of K, tinozouya pa this equation. Tobva tati V is equal to substitute for K 1320 over N. Zvatinoita. Then question yedu iri kuti titsvage V when N is equal to 8. Kureva kuti V iri equal to 1320 dividing what? 8. Saka tikati 8 into 8 ndi 1. 8 into 13 ndi 1. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A remainder of 5. 8 into 52 ndiani. Saka 8 times 5 ndi 40 times 6 ndi 48. 49, 50, 51, 52. Saka it's 48, which is 6. Saka what will be the remainder? 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Remainder and 4. 8 into 40 is 5. Kureva kuti V inge equal to 165 when N is equal to 8. It makes a lot of sense. Kuti panapa V 220 kana N ari 6. Saka N akawedzera to 8. Zvoreva kuti V anofanirwa kudzika. to a certain number. That is the inverse proportionality. Ndiyo inverse variation kana kuti inverse relationship iri between v na n. Chimwe chikawedzera chimwe chinodzika. What do I really mean pana? Tina v tina n. Saka taudzwa kuti v kana ari 220 n anenge ari 6. Mapaona. Saka tauda kuziva kuti v anenge ari chi kana n ari 8. Panapa tikuona kuti paitika an increase panapa. Saka whatever value ya v, it should be a decrease. Kuti tiratidze kuti pane inverse relationship. Saka taona kuti decrease because the value of v yatawana ndi 165, which is surely a decrease. So that is what we should know, and that is what we learn from that example. Let us see if we have another example to take on. Our next question, iri kuti the number of spherical glass beads which can be made from a given volume of glass varies inversely with the cube of the diameter of the beads. When the diameter is 2 millimeters, the number of beads is 2700. How many beads of diameter 3 millimeters can be made from the glass? Saka chatifunga kutanga kuita panapa, I call the process assignment. We have to assign something to something. What are we assigning? The number of spherical glass beads which can be made from a given volume of glass varies. Saka what is varying with what? The number of spherical glass beads. Saka we can say let n be the number of beads. Saka the number of beads is n. Zvinoitika panapa hama dzangu ndezvekuti sometimes pavanokupai maquestions apa vanowanza mbambo pachitehwe cheshinti just to confuse you. Maquestions aya vanowedzera information iri unnecessary. For example, the number of spherical glass beads which can be made. Tanga panapa pakanzi which can be made from a given number of glass and from a given volume of glass. This is unnecessary information. It's immaterial. But vanongoisa for the sake of kuda kuconfuse. Saka you have to be careful with such situations. It's not a given. Hazvirevi kuti pese pamunoweka munofanirwa kuita disqualify information yamusiri kuona kuti inoshanda papi and say kuti vangoisira kuti vati confuse. Sometimes inenge iri material, but sometimes inenge iri immaterial. Saka we are told that the number of spherical glass beads which can be made from a given volume of glass varies inversely with what? With the cube of the diameter of the beads. Saka kuno kutenge tinongoti let d be the diameter of the beads. Like that. So vazvanzi, when the diameter is 2 millimeters, the number of beads is 2700. How many beads of diameter 3 millimeters can be made from the glass? Saka being told the number of spherical beads n varies inversely with the cube of the diameter of the beads. So it's varying inversely with the cube of the diameter of the beads. Over d to the power 3. Mapaona. Because panapa we need the cube to the power 3 of the diameter of the beads. Yet diameter tatindian dd. Saka it's important to be able to do what? To assign things like we've done here. We assigned the number of beads to katindi n. We assigned the diameter of beads to katindi d. Saka from here, of course, n is equal to k multiplying 1 over d to the power 3. n is equal to k times 1, that is k over d to the power 3. But toda kutsvaka the constant, remember, saka k is equal to n d to the power 3, and we achieved this through cross multiplication. So when we go back to our question, taudzwa kuti when the diameter is 2 millimeters, the number of beads is 2700. So k is equal to the number of beads in 2700 kana diameter iri 2 millimeters. So in 2 to the power 3 pana. So k is equal to 2700 multiplying 2 to the power 3 and then 2 times 24, 4 times 28. So tikauya kuno tika multiply this, 8 times 0 ndi 0, 8 times 0 ndi 0, 8 times 7 then, so it's 40, and then 8 times 5, 8 times 6 ndi 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it's 56, saka 6, the remainder of 5, 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So panapa is 21,600. So we are saying k ingeri equal to 21,600. Saka kana tavinyora, tinenge tavinyora like manyora data panapa. N is equal to 21,600 over d to the power 3. Then question yedu, how many beads of diameter 3 millimeters can be made from the glass? So the number of beads is equal to 21,600 dividing panapa, the diameter is 3, saka 3 cube. So n is equal to 21,600 over 3 times 3 into 9. 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27. That is 27, like that. 3 into 27 into 9, 3 into 21, 7, 14, 21 is 7, 3 into 6 into 2, and into 0 into 0, 0. Saka n panapa iri equal to 7,200 dividing 9. So 39 times 5 into 45, so it's 45, 54, 63, 72. So 9 into 91, 9 into 70, 28, then into 0, 0 into 0, 0. Saka n ingeri equal to 800. It also makes sense that if we increase the diameter from 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters, that means the number of beads should be reduced from 2,700 to 800. Using, of course, our constant. What is our constant? 21,600. Saka, that is our second question. So for our exercise 9C, New General Mathematics, Book 4, Chapter 9, number 1, number 3, number 5, number 8, number 15. Ndoma questions andoda kuti muite. Kana muine any question pertaining this particular lesson, you can share that question in the comments. I'll try to attend to it. Or you can contact me directly on these 2 WhatsApp numbers. So this is a Zimbabwean number. This is a South African number. I am available on WhatsApp. If you also want to join our school, that is where you get hold of us. Thank you.